How to use Robinhood app. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to use Robinhood app. So in order to use a Robinhood app is a very simple process. All you need to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now I'm going to be showing you some of the basic guides on how you can actually use Robinhood app. So for that, first of all, you need to install and create an account. So to install, you need to head over to your respective Play Store, and once you open up a Play Store, on the search box you'll have to go ahead and type in Robinhood. When after you type in Robinhood, here you'll be able to see Robinhood application. Then click the install button. In my case, I've already installed the application. After that, you need to create an account. So basically, creating an account is just providing your information. Along with that, you need to verify it. In my case, I also happen to have a account. Then when you open up your Robinhood application, this is how it's going to look like. Enter in the passcode that you have created while creating your account. This is how it's gonna look like. Now if you want to trade on Robinhood, the only way to trade on Robinhood is by verifying your account, and after that you'll need to have some sort of amount or the coins on your Robinhood. If you want to trade, go to your profile, and then it's going to take you a profile info page. Over here you'll be able to find stock, EFTs, options, crypto, whatsoever. So let's say that if you want to send or sell or whatsoever, you want to trade crypto, then go ahead and tap the crypto button. Use the search bar in order to locate the asset. For example, I'm going to go with Bitcoin, and when you locate Bitcoin or the asset, go ahead and tap on it. Next page is going to take you to info. So if you want to send the following Bitcoin to some other user, then you can just tap the send button, and then you can begin with the procedure. However, if you're receiving a crypto, then click the receive button, copy the wallet address, and send it to the person who is actually sending you the Bitcoin, and then it's gonna show you. As you can see, if you go to your first page, the home page, you can see that my identity is not verified, so which means I won't be able to trade on Robinhood. So you need to first of all complete the verification, then you can start investing on Robinhood and explore the app. So that is how you can use Robinhood app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.